Good morning friends. Today I would like to make a video which is very useful for everyone at this most pandemic times and very challenging times human being ever faced. For last couple of weeks I have been received some of the calls from my friends from social media as well as from my close quarters. All are raising their issues related to the challenging times, what kind of the situations they are going to do in these difficult times. So based on that I would like to interact with you through this medium. I would like to share a small story with you one. This story is illustrated by one of the world's famous psychologists named called Viktor Frankl. Viktor Frankl is a world-renowned psychologist used to work with Hitler in Nazis camp. He is a psychologist working with the Nazis to support in the Second World War. He has written one of the greatest book called Life's Meaning Searching for a Man. In this book, he has illustrated one of the beautiful incident which took place in his real life. One day, when he was in the Nazis camp, he received a call at midnight. When he received a call, he picked the call and started speaking to that. Other side, one lady started speaking with a very heavy voice. That lady started speaking that, "Shall I speak to Mr. Viktor Frankl?" This gentleman said, "Yes, speaking. Dr. Viktor Frankl, I would like to suicide." Then this man started conversation with that lady. That conversation started almost, when the moment it has started, it has ended with almost 2 hours later the call ended. And the call was dropped. Viktor Frankl listened with very carefully, with very empathetically. He started continually listening and he shared his empathy with that lady. After a couple of weeks, in a gathering, one lady came to the Viktor Frankl and that lady asked Viktor Frankl, "Mr. Frankl, do you remember me?" This gentleman said, "I'm sorry, I could not remember you. Could you introduce yourself?" The lady said, "The other day, who called you at midnight and spoken to you almost 2 hours, I shared my pain and you listened with empathetically." And this man got shocked and surprised. Viktor Frankl said, "Mr. I would like to reach you again and again. I tried, but I could not reach you. I thought you were already committed suicide. You are no more on this land." And this gentleman, Viktor Frankl, asked that beautiful lady, "What made you to live again on this planet Earth?" Because the day you were speaking in such a way that is the last minute of your life. The lady, in a beautiful voice, she said, "Mr. Frankl, the way you listened to my pain, the way you gave the answers to my problem, the way you guided me, that made me to live." So my dear friends, whenever the problem comes, whenever the situation comes, we want to share with someone. We want to share with our near and dear. So sometimes we may feel alone. We may not have any proper guidance. So based on this, Government of India recently has launched a wonderful scheme called Kiran. It is related by the Government of Health Ministry. As 2 days back, this scheme was launched. There is a toll-free number. Under this toll-free number, there are 660 psychologists and 668 psychiatrists under supervision. This scheme is running. This scheme is for the people. They have already set up a toll-free number. When you call this toll-free number, it is a 24/7 frame. It will work. Whatever kind of the mental issues, the difficult challenges, whether it is your personal problem, professional problem, or the financial problem, your education problem, problem with your kids, problem with your spouse, whatever the challenges you are facing, because we are in the unprecedented times. Never before the humankind is facing this kind of the problem. Whether there are many people are losing their jobs, but it is time for not to lose our confidence. So here the experts are there. You may speak to your near and dear. They may not be expert it, because it's a mind is like washing your teeth, washing your mouth. When you wash your mouth, when you brush your teeth, automatically good smell comes. When you clean your mind, automatically good things will come. Love, compassion, kindness, everything will come. So I request you everybody, the Government of India, which is launched 2 days back, the scheme called Kiran. It is a wonderful scheme, 24/7 helpline program, 668 psychiatrists and 660 psychologists who are very expert to deal in counseling as well as to guide you and to reach your goals. So I request you everybody to go and reach this one. I would like to announce this. I would like to say this one toll-free number 1800-599-0019. So requesting everyone to kindly call this number. This number will also be scrolling on a video. So kindly utilize this one because they are experts.